And when traders start looking into futures prop firms, two names that often come up are Alpha Futures and Topstep. But choosing between them isn't as straightforward as it seems, because both platforms offer funding opportunities while approaching evaluation, pricing, and rules quite differently. Starting with the evaluation process, Topstep is known for its structured trading combine, where traders must hit profit targets while respecting strict drawdown and consistency rules. Alpha Futures, on the other hand, typically offers a more flexible evaluation style with fewer restrictions on trading strategies, which can feel less stressful for some traders, and that naturally creates a difference in user experience. Now, when it comes to platforms and markets, both firms focus on futures trading, supporting instruments like indices, commodities, and currencies. Topstep integrates with platforms like NinjaTrader, Tradivate, and TradingView, providing a professional ecosystem. Alpha Futures also supports similar platforms but often markets itself as more beginner-friendly, which can make onboarding slightly easier, especially for new traders entering prop firms for the first time. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where a major difference starts to show. Topstep uses a monthly subscription model, where accounts typically range from around $49 to $149 per month, depending on account size. This means you keep paying until you pass the evaluation. Alpha Futures, however, often offers one-time challenge fees or lower recurring costs, depending on promotions and account types, making it potentially more affordable up front. But at the same time, refund policies and reset fees can vary. Another important aspect is profit splits and payouts. Topstep offers up to 90% profit split, and it has a well-established payout system with a strong reputation for reliability. Alpha Futures also provides competitive profit splits, sometimes even matching or exceeding Topstep in marketing claims. But since it's less established, traders often question the consistency of payouts, and that's something you should carefully consider before committing. When it comes to rules and restrictions, Topstep is generally stricter, with clear daily loss limits and scaling plans, which can be beneficial for disciplined traders, but limiting for aggressive ones. Alpha Futures tends to allow more freedom in trading style, which can be appealing, but it also means you need strong risk management on your own. So in the end, the better choice really depends on your trading personality. If you want a trusted, structured environment with proven payouts, Topstep is the safer option. But if you prefer flexibility, potentially lower upfront costs, and fewer restrictions, Alpha Futures might suit you better, and that balance between structure and freedom is what ultimately decides which prop firm truly wins for you. And that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.